Morning class 6. Today we are going to start our new chapter in geometry. Chapter number 24, angles with their types. Now let's understand the concept of an angle. Children, two different rays starting from the same fixed point form an angle. You can see in this figure, children, there are two different rays, OA and OB. These are two rays, OA and OB. These are two rays, but they are starting from the same fixed point, that is O, to form an angle. And when they are starting from the same fixed point, they are forming an angle this. It is your angle AOB. Now children, let's note something. The point O, which is common to both the rays. This O point is in OB also and in OA also, is called the vertex of the angle AOB. It is called the vertex. This point O is called the vertex of this angle AOB. Whereas children, the rays OA and OB, these two rays, they are your arms of the angle. They are the arms of the angle AOB. And children, the symbol of this is used to represent an angle. If you want to write angle AOB, you can write like this, angle AOB. You can use this symbol. This symbol you can use. Okay, means where you want to write angle AOB or whatever you want to write angle, you can put this symbol. Okay class. Now children, an angle is represented by three capital letters taken in such a way that the letter in the middle is always the vertex of the angle. Suppose this is your angle ABC. Now vertex B is in the middle. If you write it like this, angle CBA, then you can notice that vertex again is in the middle. Okay. Similarly here, angle PQR, vertex Q is in the middle. Or you write like this, angle RQP, vertex is again in the middle. Now children, an angle can be represented by the name of its vertex also. Or you can just write the vertex. When you need to write the name of the angle, you can just write the vertex also. Like in this, it is angle ABC, or you can say angle CBA, or just angle B. Similarly here, angle PQR or RQP, or simply angle Q. Okay class. Sometimes two line segments with a common endpoint also form an angle at that point. Okay, in the adjoining figure, you can see line segments BA and BC form angle ABC at their common endpoint. BA and BC are making the angle, है ना? It should be noted children. What should be noted children? That whether or not BA and BC are rays or line segments. Now whether they are rays or whether they are line segments, the measure of angle ABC, this measure will remain the same. Okay, this AB can be a ray also, it can be a line segment also. This BC also can be ray or line segment, but this measure of angle B will be same. Okay, now let's do question number 1 of exercise 24A. For each angle given below, write the name of the vertex, the names of the arms, and the name of the angle. So let's do children. In this figure, tell me which is the vertex. Vertex is O. Arms are OA and OB, right? And angle is your angle AOB or simply angle O. Now let's do the second part. In this vertex is Q. Arms are PQ and RQ. An angle is PQR or simply angle Q. Please do this question number 1 in book itself. I hope this much is clear to you. Henna class? Thank you. Now we'll be doing further in our next video. Have a nice day.